dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong.
Do you see any lights around here?
Lights.
Oh, there they are. Do you want to go check out those lights? That's where we should.
First, I want to get a thing that's
You have to ask Santa. He's not going to give it to you today. He's going to wait till Christmas, but you have to ask him today.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
Pound it. Whoa, in the pocket pound.
Hey guys, welcome back to Carter Corner. We're back at Ethel M chocolate factory and we're checking out the cactus area.
But they got all these cool lights up here for Christmas. And we're going to check it out.
Uh-huh.
And they have Santa here.
Uh-huh.
And hot chocolate.
Uh-huh.
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 Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go.
Uh-huh.
Hello.
Welcome, come in, come in.
Back in September, I visited Ethel M chocolate factory in Henderson, Nevada. Well, we're back to check out the Holiday Cactus Garden, featuring over 1 million lights hung in the 3-acre cactus garden. First, we stopped in the factory to get our free chocolate sample and to try Ethel M's famous hot chocolate.
Yeah, hot chocolate.
That looks so good.
I have a sore throat.
Good. Thumbs up. Is it good?
Now we're gonna go check out the lights.
Where are the lights at? Over there? Oh, there's some. Oh, there's some. Oh, there's some.
The cactus garden has over 300 species of plants, from the purple pancake cactus to the teddy bear cholla. The purple pancake cactus, aka the purple prickly pear, has round pads that are flat like a pancake. This colorful cactus also grows yellow flowers in the spring. Teddy bear chollas, also known as jumping chollas, because of how easily the spines will attach to you if you brush up against it, have silvery green or yellow spines that make them look soft and fuzzy, like a teddy bear from far away.
Preston, how is the hot chocolate?
Good.
Good.
We're going to go see Santa.
Where's Santa?
Over there.
Oh, Jaden? Jaden Santa?
Yeah.
Santa's right here?
Yep. Right here.
You lost your beard.
Yeah.
Where's your red suit?
Oh, something happened.
Something happened? Oh, there's Santa. He's on the chair. Are you going to go see him, Carter?
Uh-huh.
You going to tell him what you want for Christmas?
Uh-huh.
What are you going to tell him?
Uh-huh.
You're going to tell him, uh-huh?
Uh-huh.
All right, cool.
Uh-huh.
I guess that's all you'll get for Christmas then is, uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Preston was a little scared of Santa this year, but we managed to convince him to take a picture. Santa even gave us another free chocolate.
Say thank you, Santa. Thank you. Good night.
Bye guys, thanks for watching Carter Corner. Carter Corner, support C-A-R-T-E-R, that's it.
You're not going to say anything about the chocolate factory?
Oh, and the chocolate factory is cool. I hope you enjoyed the tour of Ethel M's cactus garden during Christmas.
During Christmas.
Uh-huh.
What'd you think, Jaden?
I thought it was amazing.
Think people should come visit it?
Oh,
Yeah.
I thought you were complaining on the way here.
Oh, no.
Once he got here, he changed his mind though, huh?
No, I swear I heard you. I heard you. I heard you. I heard you.
Not at all.
Oh, let me get my jacket on. Oh, my God. Did you make a mess of your hot chocolate? It's all over your pants and all over your face.